Why is that just hanging there? Not moving. It's weird too. It's like it disappears from my eyesight and then shows back up. Why is that just hanging there? Not moving. It's weird too. It's like it disappears from my eyesight and then shows back up. I come out to get this. And whatever that is, it's still there. That is weird. Alright. See if we can find it again. Is it a bird caught in, I don't know, it's not moving like a bird. Yeah, here, now you can see how it's moving. It's floating. Trying to hide from me. Oh, I moved and I lost it. Get over here and take a look at all this junk. Big boy moving in. You better just roll on past here because I am not in the mood for weather. Okay? Don't go heading towards St. Louis either because my daughter's headed up there tonight, so you just steer clear of there too. You hear me? Mm-hmm. Was it talking to you, kiddo? Alright, here I found our thing again. Go. got like a glow around it. Do you see that? You guys, it's just sitting there. See? That's what a bird looks like. Yes. Not a bird. It's got a blippy right beside it too. Maybe somebody's flying a kite. That's what it moves like. I guess it could be a kite at the park. I don't know where it's struck by lightning. Oh, good grief. And look out. Truck riders. It's still up there. Okay, I'm gonna go with the kite. I'll try to zoom in on it when I edit. Well, I won't be able to edit. I don't have any storage. Ooh.